They actually warned me about the King Cobra. Whoa. I'm so lucky, guys. I would never find this place.
This is not cooked.
Alright, travel friends, good morning from Siddapur. I've just checked out at this hotel lodge and today we're gonna try to finish the plan of yesterday. Got some friends saying hi over there. Yes, okay guys, let's go. We're gonna start off the day with a fresh sugar cane. We also have lime and ginger. Wow, guys, so far Vietnam had the best sugarcane juice, but they have just been beaten by the Indian ones. It is so rich in flavor that it's almost like it's a smoothie, like a mixture of different fruits. I'm sure I'm gonna be drinking a lot of sugarcane juice from now on. Ahumbawe, ahumbawe, ahumbawe. Alright guys, we have arrived. They actually warned me about the King Cobra. They say it's very active even during daytime, so let's see if we can find any. Whoa. I almost skipped this one and went straight to the Jog Falls, but I'm so happy I came here. Wow. This view is already perfect. I can definitely see why a King Cobra would love this place. Look at this. This is the official trail. Insane. And I just saved myself from a massive slip. Like I was really lucky to grab a tree. Otherwise it would have been a disaster. Man, this is so sketchy. Imagine a cobra coming out of one of these holes. I'm starting to feel like those crazy Australians doing all kinds of crazy snake stuff. Oh, King Cobra, King Cobra. I really want to meet one in this situation, but I wouldn't mind if I meet him there on the open terrain. How is this even safe, guys? I'm basically stuck in this tree. It's sharp, it's pointy. Welcome once again in India. The lifeguard told me I cannot swim, so I will respect the rules. Let's go back. I'm so lucky, guys. I bumped it against a sharp rock. Luckily it's not so deep. Otherwise I would need stitches. And I don't think you can get that in the jungle.
From there, it's full. From there, the view is full.
Okay, travel friends, we have arrived at the famous Jog Falls, which I have been waiting for so long. Look at this, guys. Do people ever go down? Do people ever go down? I would never find this place. Alright, travel friends, welcome inside the real Indian house. A traditional house. Let's have a look in the kitchen. We have some food gear up here.
Even the like stove is decorated.
Yeah.
This is not cooked.
Yeah. And they eat it as a whole.
No.
Peel it.
Peel it and they eat.
Okay, so we have some fish, rice with curry, coconut curry.
Rice in front of a in front of a
Did you know this would be my first fire camp
in India.
ever?
What?
Really?